Well, I'm back here. There he is, John Schaefer.
Yeah.
And we're going to show you how to keep things safer with Schaefer and also answer some of the questions that are probably on your mind. John,
yeah,
this is the one. I know you're getting more calls than you have throughout the year because of this.
That's
Why
right.
did my car insurance go up?
This year is going to be the most impactful year for car insurance going up, and we're going to talk about it here in just a second here,
All
guys.
right.
So we still have the supply chain shortages, and with claims right now, a lot of times your car has damage to it and it's older, they're going to total it out. I mean, there's not parts for it. Insurance companies, it costs more to fix it.
Right. It's all dollars and cents is what it, you know.
That's right, that's right. So, still recovering from worldwide shutdowns, from COVID, massive stress on supply chains like we talked about. Parts are more difficult to find. There's a lot of cars that are 10 years older, they really don't make parts, and salvage yards, there's not a lot of those like there used to be.
True. But that's very true.
Yeah.
And the supply chains, that is a slow recovery. It's not going to come back right away. So probably expect this kind of thing even as we go a little into the future.
Right, correct, yep. And then 2023 was the worst year in claim payouts. So I've told this to a lot of my customers, you can Google it. The first 6 months of last year, everyone had more claims than they did in the last 10 years in that first 6 months of last year. And then insurance companies, it's like a bank account. I tell everybody, when the bank account gets low, they've got increased rates for predictions for hailstorms this year or big storms that are coming.
Right, but come on, we know this on the roads. People are, the driving is not as safe as it used to be.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, texting, well, you shouldn't be. So your personal situation really affects your rates. Your location. Insurance is cheaper here in Springfield, Missouri versus Kansas City.
Sure.
Kansas City has more drivers, higher theft rate, all that pays in fact. Age and gender. A 21-year-old is going to pay more in insurance than somebody that's 60 or 70.
Right.
That's just because 60 or 70-year-old is...
But even as you get into your 70s and pushing into 80s, numbers are going to go up. It's all statistics.
Right, that's right.
Yeah.
Your marital status, if you're married, you get a better rate. Your credit history, your credit has a real big effect on your insurance rates. If you have a bunch of open accounts out there, that affects your rate. So maintain that good credit. Don't have a bunch of open credit cards. If you own a home, you can bundle your home and auto insurance. It's going to save you some money by bundling together.
All right, other ways to save.
That's right. Shop around. Like, me, I've got 8 different companies. I can shop your insurance, bundle it the best we can. Avoid the loyalty traps. I hear this all the time. Don't stay with one company for 35 years. Those days are over with. Your mom and pops,
Well, that's what it used to be. Yeah. I've been taking my business here for 25, 30 years, and my rates go up. What's the deal?
That's right.
Yeah.
We talked about maintaining that good credit, bundle your home and auto insurance. That's a big thing. With us, we may have a great rate for your home here or your auto over here, but we're in-house, and other companies, if we have your auto here, the homeowners will give you a discount as long as we have it in-house here at the Resource Center Insurance. So.
All right, and of course, you work with an agent who will customize, which is what it's all about here.
That's right, we'll customize it, so.
All right, there's the QR code, there's the number you can reach John Schaefer at. That's right, keep it safer with Schaefer. Good to see you, John.
Good to see you too.